A very warm welcome to Kids Roma. This video is dedicated to our young readers. So let's start. When I eat lunch, my crackers go crunch. When I eat lunch, my carrots go crunch. When I eat lunch, my cereals go crunch. When I eat lunch, my chips go crunch. When I eat lunch, my apples goes crunch. When I eat lunch, my cookies goes crunch. When I'm done with lunch, my bags goes crunch. If you want to purchase this book or want to have a collection of young readers books, then you will find this book on this website. In fact, you will find many other options too. This is not a promotional video, it is completely a non-promotional video. Hope this will help you for your little one and for you too. So that's all in today's video. See you in the next video.